Hi, good day to everyone. Ma'am and sir, I am Amelia Balicha, 48 years old, married with one kid, and from Philippines. I have been working for 12 years in Hong Kong. I am currently serving one elderly and I've been with her for 2 years. I taking care elderly, cooking, marketing, doing household chores, and laundry. And also, I am have a experience in my past employer taking care of kids and pets like dogs and rabbit. I am honest, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I finished my contract on November 2, 2024. I am now looking for an employer. Thank you and have a great day.